Hello, this is the third in a series of videos on the subject of clubfoot and clubfoot correction. In the first two videos we talked about definitions and objectives. In this video we are going to discuss techniques. The techniques of manually correcting a deformity of a foot. And the two essential elements of correction are manipulation and stretching and holding while casting. Before we get into a discussion of these particular techniques, I would like to emphasize an important point, and that is the age of the children. It's important to distinguish between infant children who are only weeks old from older children who are months or perhaps even years old. In the case of infant children, the 3-week, 5-week, or even 6-week-old child, they have no ability to resist. They are very supple, very flexible, and they possess no strength of resistance at all. And it's very important for the doctors or the technicians to be mindful of this. It's important for the docs or the techs to be gentle when they manipulate the feet, because with very young children, infant children, it is possible to injure these children, and to injure them in ways that are not known to the manipulators. In the case of older children, children who are 3 months old, 6 months old, and definitely children who are 1 year old, their strength is actually quite remarkable. It's important to achieve corrections in spite of the natural resistance that older children exhibit when you start moving their feet around. The important technique is to get the children to relax. Relaxation is absolutely essential to the achievement of the correct positions. So, with that in mind, being mindful of the difference between a very young child who has no ability to resist and an older child, even 3 months old and older than that, who have the ability to resist, it's important to use good judgment in the manipulation of the feet. Therefore, with that in mind, the two important elements of the correction technique are manipulation before casting, and that's number one, and number two, stretching and holding while casting. I will discuss these in more detail in the next video. Thank you.